Find the equation, next problem, sir. Find the equation of parabola whose axis parallel to x-axis and passes from x-axis, passes from minus 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 1. Okay, solution. Now what it says, axis is parallel to x-axis. So equation of the parabola parallel to x-axis is given by x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. What is the formula? X is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Okay, so here first point is what, sir? Minus 1 comma 2. So minus 1 is equal to a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c. So minus 1 is equal to 4a plus 2b plus c. First equation. What is second point? So x is equal to 1, a into minus 1 square plus b into minus 1 plus c. So 1 is equal to a minus b plus c. Second equation. What is the third point? 2 comma 1. So what will happen? X value is 2, a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c. 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. Third equation. Now 1 and 2 you consider. What is the first equation? Minus 1 is equal to 4a plus 2b plus c. What is the second equation? 1 is equal to a minus b plus c. Subtract. First I am eliminating c, sir. Subtract. So what will happen? Minus 2 is equal to 3a plus 3b. This is the fourth equation. Okay. Then consider 1 and 3. What is the 1 and 3? Plus c. And what is the third equation? 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. Subtract. Minus, 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 minus. Cancel. So minus 3 is equal to 3a plus b. Fifth equation. Right below the fourth equation. Okay. So what will happen? Now I am substituting the first equation. From 1 and 2 we have got one equation there. Okay, subtract. So what will happen? Plus, minus, minus. This will get cancelled. So I have taken 1 and 2. 1 and 2 if I take, subtract, minus 2 is equal to 3a plus 3b. And 1 and 3 if I consider, minus 1 is equal to 4a plus 2b plus c. What is the third equation? 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. Subtract. These two will get cancelled. So this becomes 3a plus b. Then again, this if you add, minus 1 is equal to minus 2b. So minus 1 will get cancelled, b is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, put in fourth equation. What is the fourth equation? Minus 2 is equal to 3a plus b value how much we got? 1 by 2. So 3a plus 3 by 2. Bring this here. Minus 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 3a. So minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 by 2 is equal to 3a. LCM, sir. Okay, minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 by 2. So a is equal to minus 7 by 6. Put in 1. What is the first equation? Minus 1 is equal to 4a plus 2b plus c. So minus 1 is equal to minus 28 by 6 plus 1 plus c. So bring the term this side. Minus 1 plus 28 by 6 minus 1 is equal to c. So what I have done? I brought the term this side. LCM is 6, sir. Minus 6 plus 28 minus 6 is equal to c. So minus 12 means 14 by 6 is equal to c. Therefore, parabola is what, sir? X is equal to ay square. A is what, sir? Minus 7 plus b. What is the b value? 1 by 2. And what is the c? 14 by 6. So use the standard formula, parallel to x-axis, x is equal to ay square plus by plus c, put the values, solve the equation. Okay, let us see next problem. Okay, here small mistake is there, sir. Minus 6 plus 28 minus 6 means minus 12 plus 28 is 16. It is not 14. So 16 by 6, so it is because only small change. There is a correction in the just previous video. Here minus 6 plus 28 minus 6 means 16 by 6 is C. Therefore minus 7 by 6 y square plus everything is same, sir. Only C value is changing. Okay, note down. Okay, find the equation of the parabola whose axis parallel to x-axis and passing from the points minus 2 comma 1, 1 comma 2 and minus 1 comma 3. Okay, again same model. So x is equal to what, sir? What is the point? Minus 2 comma 1. Minus 2 is equal to a into 1 square plus b into 1 plus c. Minus 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. First equation. What is second point? 1 is equal to a into 2 square plus b into 2 plus c. Minus, 1 is equal to 4a plus 2b plus c. Second equation. What is the third point? Minus 1 is equal to a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus c. 3b plus c. Third equation, right? Now again 1 and 2. What is the first equation? Minus 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. What is the second equation? 1 is equal to 4a plus 2b plus c. Subtract minus 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 minus. C will get cancelled. Minus 3 is equal to minus 3a minus b. Right? So C will get cancelled. Remove the minus sign. 3a is equal to 3a plus b. Fourth equation. Next 1 and 3. What is 1 and 3? Minus 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. What is the third equation? Minus 1 is equal to 9a plus 3b plus c. Subtract. Plus minus minus minus. This will get cancelled. Minus 1 is equal to minus 8a minus 2b. Remove the minus sign. 1 is equal to 8a plus 2b. This is the fifth equation. Write this below. Fourth equation. 3a plus b. Fourth equation. Multiply by 1, multiply by 2. So what will happen? 1 is equal to 8a plus 2b. Here multiply by 2. 6 is equal to 6a plus 2b. Subtract. Cancel. Minus 5 is equal to 2a. A is equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay. A is equal to minus 5 by 2. Put in fourth. In the fourth equation. What is the fourth equation? 3 is equal to 3a. 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus b. So 3 is equal to minus 15 by 2 plus b. Bring the term this side. 3 plus 15 by 2 is equal to b. 6 plus 15, 21. I am taking LCM, sir. 2 is LCM. 6 plus 15 is equal to b. So 21 by 2 is equal to b. So we got a value, b value. Put in 1. What is the first equation? Minus 2 is equal to a plus b. Minus 5 by 2 plus b is what, sir? 21 by 2 plus c. Minus 2 is equal to 16 by 2, 8 plus c. So c is equal to minus 2 minus 8 minus 10. Therefore, x is equal to formula ay square. A value is what, sir? What is a value we got? Minus 5 by 2 y square plus b 21 by 2 y minus 10. Okay. So same concept, note on this. Next, so find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to y axis, passes from 4 comma 5, minus 2 comma 11 and minus 4 comma 21. Okay, so parallel to y axis passes from 4 comma 5, minus 2 comma 11, minus 4 comma 21. Now it is parallel to y axis. So y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. If it is parallel to x axis, we are writing here x. If it is parallel to y axis, we have to write y is equal to. Now what is the first point? Look at here, 4 comma 5. So we have to write y value here. 5 is equal to a into 4 square plus b into 4 plus c. Here we have to write y values are not x value. This is very, very important. 5 is equal to 16a plus 4b plus c. Right? Next step. Minus 2 comma 11. So here 11 is equal to a into minus 2 square plus b into minus 2 plus c. So 11 is equal to 4a minus 2b plus c, second equation. What is the last one? So 21 is equal to a into minus 4 square plus b into minus 4 plus c. Okay, so minus 6 plus 16a minus 4b plus c, third equation. Now 1 and 2. Observe here, first equation is what, sir? 5 is equal to 16a plus 4b plus c, first equation. What is second equation? 11 is equal to 4a minus 2b plus c. Subtract minus 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 plus minus, c will get cancelled. Minus 6 is equal to 12a plus 6b, cancel with the 6th table. Minus 1 is equal to 2a plus b, fourth equation. Consider 1 and 3. What is the first equation? 5 is equal to 16a plus 4b plus c. What is the next one? 21 is equal to 16a minus 4b plus c. Subtract minus minus plus minus. Observe, a will get cancelled, c will get cancelled. So minus 16 is equal to 8b, b is equal to minus 2. Directly we get b value. Put in fourth equation. So what will happen? Minus 1 is equal to 2a, b value minus 2. So if you bring here minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 2a, a is equal to 2a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1 by 2. Put in 1. For the first equation, 5 is equal to 16a, 16 into 1 by 2 plus 4 into b, b is minus 2 plus c. So 5 is equal to 8 minus 8 plus c, 8 will get cancelled, c is equal to 5. Therefore, y is equal to ax square. What is a value? 1 by 2. And what is the b value? Minus 2x plus c value is 5. Okay, here parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis we have seen. Okay, these models are very, very important. Okay, we'll complete.